Children, optical isomerism is exhibited by compounds which contain at least one unsymmetrical carbon atom or chiral carbon atom. What do you mean by unsymmetrical carbon atom? See here, if any compound having four different atoms or groups, then it is called unsymmetrical carbon atom. Unsymmetrical carbon atom or chiral carbon atom. Chiral carbon atom or chirality center. Example 1, CH3 CHOH COOH. This is unsymmetrical carbon atom. This compound is lactic acid. Lactic acid. Its IUPAC name is 2-hydroxy propanoic acid. This compound undergoes optical isomerism. See here, carbon CH3 H OH and COOH. Carbon 1, carbon 2, carbon 3. At carbon number 2, OH group is there. So this is dextroform, and carbon here, this side COH group is present in right hand side, this side left hand side. H is left hand side, so H is right hand side, CH3OH. So this is LEVO form minus L form. Here it is plus D form.
1.
You have already studied SN1 and SN2 reactions. Now second is elimination reaction. Elimination reaction is also very important for haloalkanes, and you have already studied. But see here, when haloalkane reacts with alcoholic KOH, alkene is formed. This reaction is called beta elimination reaction. You have already studied in class 11th. Example, C2H5Cl plus alcoholic KOH, it will give C2H4 and H2O. Here it is CC CH3 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 CH2OH Cl CH3 CH2 Cl chloroethane plus KOH alcoholic H and Cl minus HCl, and it will become CH2 double bond CH2 ethene. Third is reaction with metals. Third category is reaction with metals. Third example is Wurtz reaction. When two molecules of haloalkane, here it is 2 molecules of haloalkane, reacts with sodium in the presence of ether, alkane is formed. 2Na and 2X becomes 2NaX, sodium halide, and RR is alkane. Only the restriction is methane cannot be prepared by this method. Another example is when Rx combines with metal magnesium, then RMgX is formed. This is called Grignard's reagent. This is called Grignard's reagent. Example, you can write yourself C2H5Br plus Mg in the presence of ether. Here also ether. It will give C2H5 MgBr, ethyl magnesium bromide. So more and more reactions you can write yourself. For any doubt, you can consult me.